Lailen Pastries is a food manufacturing company that produces and sells cakes and pastries. Initially, the company started producing pastries such as tarts, sylvannas, and brownies, which are distributed and sold at leading supermarkets, bake shops, and other pasalubong outlets from North to South Luzon. In 2011, Lailen Pastries opened its first store branch and introduced new products such as customized cakes, bars, pastries, and other desserts. It specializes in creating and designing custom cakes for various live events and corporate functions. The company is also an accredited supplier in some of the leading hotels, restaurants, and some leading supermarkets and pasalubong stores in Central Luzon. In 2018, the company opened its second branch, and soon it will expand in Dau and Dapalit. What started out as a hobby has thrived into a business over the years, providing its growing number of clientele homemade goodies guaranteed to satisfy the palate. It was in 1982 when Evelyn, Eliza's mother, established Lailen's Pastries through the prodding of their friends who were delighted to taste their mouth-watering sylvannas and brownies. Orders started pouring in as relatives and friends, by word of mouth, began to vouch for the heavenly goodness of their pastries.
Welcome to the program, Ms. Lai Mangyo.
My honor.
So, how are you doing amidst the pandemic, Ms. Lai?
Like everybody else's business, syempre naapektuhan po ng konti. Pero luckily, and I'm so thankful na hindi po nagsara yung mga shops namin. Maswerte pa rin po ako at hindi kami tumigil. Although, meron din po kaming mga ilang customers like the pasalubong, yung mga, yan. Syempre po nagsara yung mga pasalubong dahil wala naman pong lumalabas. Yun po, naapektuhan din po kami dun sa mga customers namin na yun.
Yeah. How many workers do you have at the moment?
Around 50 to 60.
Marami din yun. Can you imagine? 60 multiplied by 7 kamo na, di ba? Malaki-laki yung bilang ng mga tao na maapektuhan kung titigil ka dahil mawawalan sila ng hanap buhay at wala silang ipapakain sa kanilang mga pamilya. And I think you deserve a congratulations for thinking about your workers. Not only
Thank you po.
because siguro if you stop, you will not stop eating, no? But it's your workers who will be affected greatly, di ba?
Opo.
Tsaka magiging malungkot ang mundo kapag walang Lailen's Pastries.
walang dessert, walang sugar.
Di ba?
Oo. Malungkot na nga yung mundo, tapos hindi ka pa makakakain ng sweets.
Our viewers are eager to know, Lai, kung ano yung mga specialty mo na tuloy-tuloy yung production.
Nag-start kami, sylvannas and brownies lang muna yung ginagawa namin. Actually, my mom started the business when I was in grade school. After that, nag-add kami ng ibang products like tarts. And then we developed cakes, and we do customized cakes for birthdays and weddings. Yun. So, ang mabilis sa amin ngayon, hanggang ngayon, mabilis sa amin, yung sylvannas and brownies pa rin. And then, yung sa cakes naman, moist chocolate cake, yema cake, decadent
Yung
cake.
yema cake mo, yung meron pa siyang yema balls sa
Yema
ibabaw.
balls.
Yan sa talaga.
And almond slice sa sides.
Yeah, that's right. So, lahat ng produkto na dati yung pinoproduce na paborito ng lahat, nandyan pa rin. You did not stop or you did not cut down on your product lines.
No, actually nag-add pa kami. So sumabay kami dun sa ube craze na ube pandesal. Yung parang pinapatakam mo yung mga tao na bumili, walang ginagawa eh. So walang ginagawa sa bahay, kakain. Kakain ka lang. Ayun.
So, ito nga, nandito sa tabi ko eh. Kanina ko pa nga takam dito, gusto ko na. Kanya lang, matatapusin ko muna itong program bago namin tikman lahat itong mga pinadala mo mga samples dito. And your customized cakes and, itong lahat ng mga ginagawa mong ito, meron kang mga, alam ko ang mga customers mo, mga hotels, di ba? Mga coffee shops siguro.
Mga
Ah,
party
talaga.
coordinators na sinasama na rin nila sa packages nila, mga restaurants, mga
Mhm.
gano'n yung mga
Mhm.
and yung mga individuals na rin
Mhm.
ng
So, do you have many stores at the moment?
right now we have 4 outlets.
Mhm.
Um, Nakakatuwa nga kasi itong pandemic na 'to naka-line up na yung dalawa. So lahat daw sa lahat daw ng mga naapektuhan, ako daw yung nagdadagdag. Pero naka-line up na kasi before pandemic. So we have the SL branch, San Agustin branch, the
Mhm.
U branch, and recently we opened yung sa Apalit branch. Mm.
But do you do online delivery now?
We partnered with Food Panda, Mangan.ph,
Mhm.
Papa PH, Grab
Mhm.
Food, and Local Plate.
Meron bang chance at all na kapag nag-walk-in sa store, wala yung mga products na ino-order or naubusan na? Do you do, let's say, reservation? Do you accept reservation for certain products? Kasi minsan, may gustong cake, let's say, mabenta pala yung yema cake, di ba? So,
Yes.
yema cake talaga yung gusto. Kailangan ba talaga magpa-book in advance o mag-reserve in advance?
Mas advisable na magpa-reserve in advance kasi hindi rin natin matatansya kung kailan mauubos yung cake na yan tapos magre-replenish pa. Yung iba naman, tatawag sa phone, tapos in 1 hour, paki-ready na lang in 1 hour, kukunin namin. So, i-reserve na namin yon.
Siguro curious yung mga tao, paano nyo hina-handle yung food ngayon dahil sa, alam mo na, naging health freak ang mga tao, natatakot sila sa virus, sa bacteria, and all that. I know before pa you are very careful with your food handling, pero how do you do your food handling inside your production room now that we have COVID?
Kahit nung wala pa naman po yung COVID, we follow good manufacturing practices naman po.
Mhm.
So, ang na-add lang po ngayon is yung merong mga face shield yung mga workers, and we
Mhm.
make sure na hindi nila inaalis yung face mask nila, and then palagi sila nag-wash hands and social distancing.
Mhm.
Yun po.
When you have walk-in customers, what kind of health and safety protocols do you implement in your shops?
We have foot bath at the entrance, and
Mhm.
then contact tracing wherein maglalag sila dun sa dun sa notebook, and then alcohol, and we make sure that naka-face mask yung mga lahat ng pumapasok doon.
So, yun talagang lahat ng ini-impose ng gobyerno na health and safety protocols, pinatutupad ninyo.
Yes, and we limit our customers inside 3 to 4 persons lang po yung allowed.
Okay. I'm sure malinis, no? Yung lahat ng mga gamit ninyo sa loob ng store. Like, tell us about your best sellers.
Aside from sylvannas and brownies na all-time favorite, ang mabilis sa amin ngayon yung mga special cakes, especially yung chocolate cake, decadent cake, yama cake. Siguro dahil ang yama cake namin is chiffon cake lang naman yan eh. So, kahit saan merong chiffon cake. Pero yung sa amin, masasabi ko na it melts in your mouth. Hindi siya nakakabulunan, malambot siya.
And kunyari, birthday, ang gusto nila lagyan ng greetings, yung cake. Do you do that too?
Yes. Linalagyan po namin ng greetings yung cake. And meron din po kaming mga special candles doon na pwedeng meron silang mga designs, like character candles, yun, para sa mga biglaang bumibili lang. Tapos meron din kaming sinasuggest na you can customize your cakes there. You can buy cake balls para matap mo sa cake mo, or meringue, French macarons, anything na pwedeng pang-decorate dun sa store namin pwede. So, ini-encourage namin na gawin nila yon.
So meron din kayong mga ganyan na,
Yes.
parang, at sasabihin nyo, gusto nyo bang mag-DIY?
Yes, DIY.
So, eto yung mga pwede nyong bilhin na ilalagay nyo sa cake ninyo. Wow, that's a good idea. I like that. pwedeng mag-order sila sa inyo ng plain cake, marahil, and then sila na yung magde-decorate using some of your best
Yes.
there. Alam ko na, yung masarap, French macaroons.
Yes, French macarons and cake balls. Meringue.
Oo,
Yes.
yun. Sarap talaga
Colorful.
yun pag nilagay mo yun dun sa mga cake. Ay, nako, perfect. Ang sarap-sarap talaga. Okay, now tell us, anong mga numbers ang pwedeng tawagan or kung meron kayong Facebook page kung saan pwedeng umorder? Can you tell us now about this details, Lai?
Yes. For SL branch, we're located at SL Commercial Complex, Telebastagan, and telephone number is 624-0029. And the U branch, 7-star building, MacArthur Highway, the U Mabalacat, Pampanga. Telephone number 649-5126. San Agustin branch, MacArthur Highway, San Fernando. With telephone number 402-3809. And Apalit branch, Gas and Go, San Vicente, MacArthur Highway, 436-5909. Pwede rin nilang i-like yung Facebook page namin and you can message us there. Pwede rin mag-order there, pero mas mabilis kasi kung phone call or in person. Meron din kaming Instagram page. Just search Lailen's Pastries for both.
This Christmas ba, do you have any special offering to our viewers and Facebook followers, Lai?
Yes, we have Christmas packages, like naka-basket po sila, or naka-crate. Naka-crate sila. You can choose, depende po sa budget ninyo. Meron kaming superior, deluxe, ultimate. Meron din, pwede rin mag-customize. So, pipili sila ng products namin, i-costing namin, tapos i-crate namin. And meron din pong isang option na meron po kaming bayong. 3 sizes of bayong. So, pipili sila ng mga products kung anong kakasya sa bayong, then add up na lang po yung cost ng bayong.
Alam ko yung mga packages niyo na yan. Christmas packages niyo. Ang ganda-ganda nga eh. Yung mga binibigyan namin ng ganyan, na mga guests namin coming from Manila o kaya yung aming mga judges sa aming mga Christmas carols competition. Tuwang-tuwa kasi talagang ang ganda ng combination ng mga products. Meron pa nga kayo para naka-box na ganyan, di ba? Talagang I would say na very affordable at saka matutuwa talaga yung bibigyan. And it's a good thing, hindi nyo tinigil yan. Dapat nga dagdagan nyo pa eh. Iba-ibang sizes yan eh. May maliit, di ba? Hanggang sa palaki, parami, iba't ibang variety. And it's really good. And I am sure anyone na makaka-receive ng ganyan gift sa sino man will be very happy, right? At I must congratulate you. Siguro, Lai, at this point, pwede kang magbigay ng iyong parting message. It can be a message of hope to everyone who are watching us.
Thank you po sa lahat ng tumatangkilik ng Lailen's products. Lalo na this pandemic, hindi niyo po kami iniwan. We will make sure that we will give you quality and delicious products.
And I'd like to thank you for accepting our invitation to you today to be our guest in BizLab, Miss Lai Mangyo. At congratulations, sana dumami palalo ang inyong mga stores, pandemic or no pandemic. Thank you very much.
Thank you
Lai.
po.
Advance Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas po!
Like and follow our official Facebook page at CLTV36 Official and Business and Usual with Sonia P. Soto. I am also inviting everyone to subscribe in our YouTube channel at CLTV36 Official for more business and usual content. Ako po si Sonia P. Soto at huwag po kayong magsasawa na subaybayan ang ating bagong programa dito sa CLTV 36. Out with business as usual, in with business and usual. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.